Góðan daginn. This is Oscar, aka Speak Viking. Welcome to my video on pronouncing Northern Lights in Icelandic. If you're planning a trip to Iceland or just want to learn how to pronounce this beautiful natural phenomenon correctly, you've come to the right place. The Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights, is a natural light display that occurs in high-latitude regions of the Northern Hemisphere, including Iceland. Iceland is a prime location to witness this incredible phenomenon caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with the Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. The Northern Lights in Iceland can be seen during the winter months from September to April, when the nights are longer and the skies are darker. But how do we say Northern Lights in Icelandic? Norðurljós, norðurljós, norðurljós. Norðurljós is Icelandic for Northern Lights. The lights of the norðurljós are often visible in the countryside or areas with little pollution. The colors of the Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights, are caused by different gases in the Earth's atmosphere. The two primary gases in the Earth's atmosphere are nitrogen and oxygen, and these elements give off different colors during an aurora display. The green we see in the aurora is characteristic of oxygen, while hints of purple, blue, or pink are caused by nitrogen. The shape of the lights can vary greatly from arcs and bands to curtains and rays. Norðurljósin eru mjög falleg. Norðurljósin eru mjög falleg. Norðurljósin eru mjög falleg. The Northern Lights are very beautiful. The intensity of the Northern Lights can also vary depending on the solar wind's strength and other factors. Despite its beauty, the Northern Lights can also have practical implications. They can interfere with satellite and radio communications, which can cause disruptions to technology and communications. Norðurljósin eru falleg en þau geta valdið tæknilegum erfiðleikum. The Northern Lights are beautiful, but they can cause technical difficulties. Norðurljósin eru falleg en þau geta valdið tæknilegum erfiðleikum. Norðurljósin eru falleg en þau geta valdið tæknilegum erfiðleikum. Norðurljósin eru falleg en þau geta valdið tæknilegum erfiðleikum. That's it for the Northern Lights, how to pronounce them in Icelandic. Thank you for watching. Takk fyrir og bless bless.